All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be replacing this stupid thing right here. Window motor went out on me. And if you guys ever try to change them out, oh, hey, there's power there. You little guy. You know, they're pain in the ass to get to. So I kind of just made my own holes to get to. I'll show you where at. If you look right here, you look right here. When I just cut them out around there, that's where your bolts are. You just cut around that and you're right to your bolts. This bad boy right here. Give her a couple hugga-duggas. Get him. Here, when the motor is out, that's how you take them out. You just hate it when you drop stuff places you can't get to, like that little guy. Come on, focus. Look, there, it's ending. You don't gotta listen to me talk about shit you don't care about, and it's in there now. So some of you guys were wondering how my tow mirrors are wired in. So this is what I did. All I have wired in right now is them lights and these lights. I'll show you once. See? On. Open. Oh, hey, that's already on. I'll show you how I wired them up. Oh, Christmas is coming. Here's your two grounds for them lights. I found out when you buy these mirrors, when I bought them anyways, I had to unhook my blinker from this. It's just a plug, pretty much all it is. And I don't have any of this shit hooked up yet. My power mirrors, I don't have that in yet. But for my reverse lights came the plug, and when I open my door, they turn on. They're just wired into, where'd you go? This little bulb. This little bulb is what goes down here, and it's just tied into that. That's all that's done to that. And then for the running lights, I have it hooked up to my window switch. So when you turn your key on, it gets power. That's all I did. Video, give me a like, subscribe. Good morning or night. Wherever you're at, good morning or good night.